Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to create a Bluemix IoT application using the TI Beaglbone and the TI Sensortag. First, I will give an overview of the application. After, we will check if we can visualize the data in the IBM IoT Cloud platform. And after, we will create our application using Bluemix. Overview. So we have the TI Sensortag sending the data through Bluetooth Low Energy to the Beaglebone. The Beaglebone is receiving the data and publishing the data in the IBM IoT Cloud via MQTT. MQTT is a very effective internet protocol, especially for IoT. So once we have the data comes from the TI Sensortag in the IBM IoT Cloud, we can use Bluemix to create IoT applications. In Bluemix, we can use services such as the Cloud Twilio and use the Node-RED editor. So now, let's make sure that we are visualizing the data in the IBM IoT Cloud. So we should go to the quick start of the iotthings.ibmcloud.com website, and let's go there. And we should pass the MAC address of the TI Sensortag. You can get it in the PuTTY here, in the PuTTY prompt. It's the MAC address of my TI Sensortag. I copy that, and now let's go to the IBM IoT Cloud website. I will click on the Quick Start section, and here I will pass the MAC address. So as you can see, my device is connected, and we are getting the data in real time. So now we can go to Bluemix and start to create our application. Here is an application running on Node-RED, so I have already created. So I will just click here. You can create yours very easily just to create a Node-RED application. I will click in the root of the application, and you will start the Node-RED flow editor. So in order to create an IoT application, I use the IoT app node. Here is the name of the node and the topic. In the PowerPoint, I put the path that you will need to, in order to, with this path, you can get the data that is in the IoT IBM Cloud platform. So just make sure to put your sensor address of your device in this patch. So I'll copy here and paste to the Bluemix configuration node. Here is the sensor MAC address. I will now go into the PuTTY to take it again. So where is it? It's here. Okay, I will paste here. And now you have to make sure to remove all the columns in the MAC address. So instead of using with the columns, we should remove the columns. As you can see on the screen, I'm removing. Okay, I will click now on the OK button, and then now we are able to click on the deploy button because we have our application set. So now I'll click on the deploy button, and we started to get the data from the TI Sensortag, as you can see here. Now let's check if we are storing the data on the cloud database correctly. So here is the application review. I will click on the Cloud DB service. I will click on the launch button. It will start the Cloud service. And we can see Sensortag database I have created for this application. And here is all documents that were inserted in the database. So let's look how the document looks like. So we have the ID of the document and the topic that is on the IoT node. And here is the informations, the data that are coming from the TI Sensortag: pressure, acceleration X, object temperature, the name of the sensor tag, etc. So thank you.